Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 9th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and I'm on the daily time frame. So on the pound yen, I still think we could be in a wave B, and we are sitting at the 90%. If this is a regular flat, the 90% is a really good target for a wave B. The problem is if you look at all the other yen pairs, all the other yen pairs don't look like they're ready to go down yet. Obviously, there's this big gap from market open that is likely going to be filled at some point, but because I'm looking at correlated yen pairs, I'm kind of thinking that possibly it's going to keep going up to about the 105, and then it will probably make the big reversal that we've been waiting for. So definitely still bullish. We don't have a breakdown. We don't have a golfing down. We don't have a lower high. We definitely still want to be bullish on this. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, that doesn't mean that it may not possibly make a much bigger pullback. My most recent structure is right in this area right here. So if it breaks below there with momentum and holds, then it probably is going to go down and try to fill this gap down here. If it does it and it makes like a 1, 2, 3 way pullback, then it's probably just going to go up again. If it makes a double top at the 90% and then goes down and breaks this low, then we probably do have a reversal. If it goes up to the 90% that pulls back, just makes another higher low, then we're probably still in an uptrend and it's going to make a run for that 105 or maybe even that 123% Fibonacci that I was showing on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.